Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all photos and videos from Google Drive. So for you to do that, just click on storage, then you click on clip space, then go down a little, then you click on Google Photos. Don't worry, we are not going to clear any photos. I'm not going to clean up any photos. Then right here, if you have available videos or photos in your Google Drive, it will be here. But since there's nothing here, that means I don't have any photo or pictures in my Google Drive. But if you have it in yours, just click on this, which is showing to have the numbers of the videos and photos you have in your Google Drive. Then click on mark on this particular box on the mark. Then click on download, then it will automatically download all the videos and photos you have on Drive. Very helpful. I can play for more. Thank you.